My friends, Gaahleri is at it again. Another new airbrush, and this one, right now, if you purchase, has a perk. We'll talk about that inside. See you guys in. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to talk about Gaahlerie's newest Aventus airbrush. This one is my one that I purchased. It is the Titan Mist edition. We're going to open it up, we're going to take a look at it and hopefully get some painting done with it. But I want to talk about this because right now till January 4th, Gaahleri has a special thing going on, and it's really kind of important. And not only is it good for Gaahleri because they're going to get sales on their airbrushes, but it's also good because Gaahleri has chosen to not only do a sale, but it's their season of giving. And right now, in partnership with Heart Pledge, till January 4th, you're not only getting a discount on the airbrush, but they're also giving a donation to the charities. So it's kind of one of those things, there's a win-win going on here, and I want to make sure you guys know about it because, you know, donating to charity is a very important thing, whether you're donating to your church, charities, whatever. Giving is always important, and this time of year it is always important to do. So right now, till January 4th of 2026, or if you're watching this video after that, they are actually donating, having lucky draws, 12 days of flash sales and freebies, so along with the charity pledges. So go check out the Gaahleri site. My link is down in the description down below, as well as my discount code, which will give you an additional, I believe, 5 to 10% off your order. So definitely keep that in mind as well. So without further ado, let's get this beautiful looking airbrush out of the box. All right, get this girl out of the box. Now, this is not the custom. This is the straight Titan Mist, so there's no engraving, none of that stuff on it. But you also notice it's a 0.2 and a 0.4 millimeter dual action airbrush, so keep that in mind. Right now, I'm pretty sure it's configured at the 0.2 by default. But let's get this box open and let's take a look at this. Dear customer, here's all your user instructions. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Ooh, all right. Custom Gaahleri form, new O-rings. Yeah. Well, that's one thing I love about their packaging. Stuff stays in there really, really well. So this is the Titan Mist edition. Got a lot of nice curves, a lot of reminiscent stuff to the Mobius airbrush. I like that the needle is actually visible there. Dual action, press down for air, pull back for paint. Already comes with the quick release adapter installed. And this one has the forks. Usually I use the cup, but we got a lot of neat mechanisms here, a lot of cool, just clean look to this airbrush. Now, this being in a 0.2 configuration is more meant for detailing, so keep that in mind that I'm going to be kind of doing some detail work. You guys can kind of see a tip of a model there. We've got two cups, then you've got the 0.4 needle here to swap out, as well as the end of the tip that you need for the 0.4 needle to appropriately fit in the airbrush. Let's try to get these parts actually out of here. And there's your cone, which is what I usually prefer, is that cone end, but we're going to work with the other end. I'm trying to get the tip in here without losing any O-rings or any parts. There we go. Got that in there. So there's your spare tips and adapter end. And then again, there's two different size cups. Got a larger and a smaller. So in all honesty, I'm going to be using this for more detail work, so I'm going to go with the smaller cup this time. So, and of course, their packaging, always good. Stuff doesn't move. It's hard to get out, which is good because that means in the packaging, things are going to arrive without an issue, which is what we like. We don't like broken things arriving. And believe it or not, how many times I have stuff arrive here just damaged from vendors. It just kind of, I have learned that FedEx and them do not like taking care of my packages. So really smooth trigger. There's not any pushback or anything on here. Really clean looking needle, good movement, clean, sharp, nice clean cup. yeah, I'd say it's time to do a little bit of work with this. And I just happen to have a model just for that work right here, right now. So again, go check them out, go pledge. Let's do some airbrushing. All right, guys, got this hooked up to my compressor. You can see our little party victim in front of us here today. We're going to use some Kaleidos paint as well to do this work today. So right now I have this based with Monument Hobby black primer and then a coat of lead belcher from Citadel over it. So that's how I've gotten the color that I currently have. Now, I don't want to do too much to the wings on this. What I'm after is getting a lot of the body, what would be painted panels, more into a gray. And what I'm going to use is Kaleidos Armor Gray to do so. So we're gonna put a few drops in the airbrush here. You guys can just see great flow already, great color. So let's get in here and get started. The trigger is really smooth. I'm kind of getting it figured out really quickly. It's the first time using it, so you guys are seeing me use this live. And that Kaleido Armor Gray is just going down really nice and smooth, which makes me very happy. Especially with this being more of a detailing brush. With the 0.2 configuration, this is giving me a really good color shape up. And if you can hear my compressor back there, yeah. I've been kind of out here on the nose of it. Just building this into a nice gray. And what I'm going to do is on the wings here, I just want to catch the back of them. I want to leave the metallic on the front. To kind of give that effect that the sand's been wearing it away. Oh, already went through everything I loaded into it. So it's a nice start of a color over this metallic that I'm using, the Citadel lead belcher, kind of showing through, kind of giving some contour lines. Once I add the decals to the canopy, it'll look a bit different. You guys can kind of see it blowing up onto the wing panels there. Add a couple more drops of paint into the airbrush here. We'll finish out those wing panels real quick. There we go. Flip it over, do the same thing again. It's really clean, really simple to do. Lay down the nice gray very quickly, very simply. Need some touch up here because I think I ran out of paint on this one. The blotching is actually more my fault than the airbrush because I'm just not overly as familiar with it. No matter what someone says, every airbrush has a quirk. You can own two of the same airbrush and each one will behave a little bit differently than the other. That's just the way of machines in the world. All right, there we go. So got a good kind of base color, armor gray on it. Nice, easy to do. Kind of got that weathered look onto the wings kind of starting out where the armor gray is gone. Now I'm going to do a bunch of other stuff with just brush work on this, but the airbrush in here, this just came in, did a great job. Now I'm going to get this cleaned up and move on from there. But guys, if you're interested right now till January 4th, this is normally a $200 airbrush. On the sale in the US on the Gaahleri site right now, it's $155. That's a heck of a good deal. So definitely go take a look at it, because that helps pledge for charity. Get on their site, get on there, set up for their lucky draws and all that good stuff. And if you can, use my link down below if you're going to go purchase one, because it is an affiliate link. It does help me out as well. So hope you guys have enjoyed the content. There is the Aventus Titan Mist. Beautiful airbrush, love it. I'm going to get this cleaned up and we'll see you guys in the next project. And if you want to see me finish this, you got to get in the comments down below, guys. That's up to you. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.